Out a bit. Up. Straight up. Good. That is fairly flat, I think. So is that. Find its angle, isn't it?
Well, ever since we excavated when we started excavating in 2003, we found part of this big projecting stone down in the corner at the end of this main passageway, which we suspected was a big fallen rock, subsequently turned into what we thought must have been one of the lintels, the capping stones of the passage. And the guess was that when the others were being robbed away, one of them had fallen in accidentally, and it was far too much effort to try to get it out again. And so there it stayed. So we thought it'd be a great idea to set off the entrance way into the main passage with that lintel, put it back in place, which is what we've done this morning with the help of Chris and the digger. It now gives us a real sense, I think, of what this entrance way would have looked like into the Fogou. Yeah, it just makes it even more of a special monument, really.